Hi everybody, it's Kiana Darling, and I'm going to attempt to do this very quick haul. I'm recording this from my iPad mini because my laptop has completely crashed. That's one of the reasons why I have not put up videos. My laptop has crashed. Sorry, I'm getting posts at the top of it as this video is going on. But okay, my laptop has completely crashed, which completely sucks, but it'll be fine. I have a whole bunch of videos that I recorded and I can't upload them. There's something that's going on with my camera, my laptop, so I've been using my iPad mini for everything, which is great. It's because it could not have come at a more convenient time. So I'm going to attempt to do this haul really quick before I get started. This is my AliExpress hair that it's been reinstalled for the second time. It's still very pretty, still gorgeous, not tangling. I'm going to get into the specs of this hair in a different video, but yeah, and this is also my closure as well. So let's get started with the haul. I'm going to start off with what I am wearing. I'm wearing this faux fur scarf, very warm and cozy. It's very cold outside. Oh, by the way, it is Martin Luther King Day, so happy MLK Day to everyone out there. If you can do something that involves, you know, helping someone else or just celebrating Martin Luther King's his history and his heritage and what he has done for all of us. So, yeah. So, okay, but yeah. So, I'm sorry. I'm all over the place in this video as usual, but the videos are going to keep coming. So, keep watching and thank you for all my new subscribers. This will be fun. Okay, so this is a faux fur scarf that I got from the Limited. Very warm, very cozy. I believe I got it for like 15 bucks. It's so warm and cozy. They had it in a lighter color, but I needed this one because I have the black one and I wanted like this colored one. So this one's very warm. And I also got this shirt, if you can see. This shirt is from Dillard's. And I just wore it today. But yeah, it's just a sheer top, something that I always wear. I love sheer tops. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start off with Victoria's Secret. Everyone knows that they have their semi-annual sale, which is cool. I got this little beauty lotion and it has like shimmers in it. It's in like a vanilla. It's called Spun Sugar and Warm Vanilla. So I've gotten this one. Very, very pretty. For the summer, this will help you like be bronzed a little bit if you need to be. And then I got this scent, and this is Dream Angels Forever. It smells really good. It's like a really nice scent. It smells really good. Just spray a little bit. So, oh, and I do have a review on my Clarisonic that's going to be coming really, really soon. Because if you guys haven't noticed a difference in my skin, I don't know if you can tell, but a lot of people in person have told me that my skin is looking a little bit better. I love the Clarisonic, and I'm going to do a full video on that one as well. So that's coming too. And also, I'm sorry, if you guys haven't seen my Get Fit or Drop 30 in 13 video, that is down below. I will have an update video coming soon with that as well, just to let everyone know how I'm doing, and I would like to know how you guys are doing as well. Okay, so if you guys don't want to see my bras, I only got bras on here, so if you guys don't want to see my bras, in turn, but they're at the store. I mean, it's Victoria's Secret. Come on, you can look in the catalog. But yeah, okay, so this one is a strapless, and I needed a new strapless bra. Very, very pretty. The only thing I'm worried about is the sequins. I didn't really want the sequins on it, but these fit really well. And I love strapless bras that snap in the front versus the back. So that's that one. I got a sports bra because I love Victoria's Secret sports bras. They have the best sports bras. They are amazing fit. They don't make you flat-chested. Like, because my old ones have, like, no protection up here. But the Victoria's Secret ones are amazing. And they are very good quality. They last a very long time. And then I got this other bra. It's almost the same color. It's like a coral and a cream. Yeah. Just quick little bra. So yeah, those bras are really cute. I know this lighting probably sucks. I hope that's a little better. I know this light probably really does suck. But, okay. And then I went to, let me just get these clothes out of the way that are laying on the bed. I got this really pretty white shirt from Macy's. It has 2 pockets on the front. It has these sort of belt loops by the arm. This was like 10 bucks, I think. Just a nice, I needed another clean white classic shirt because I hate when my makeup gets on the collar of my shirts. That tends to happen to me a lot, and I hate that. I should have probably fixed this before I started recording the video. And then from Express, I got a few things. I got this blue dress. And I also got this dress in black, but it's dirty because I wore it. It's just a plain blue dress, and it has like almost a netting on the arms. If you can see, the arms are netted. Very cute. Very, very cute. I have this one in black as well. And then from Dillard's, I got this shirt. This is the back, and it has sort of like a shoestring type of detail all down the back. Very sexy. And it's also sheer and like this cool fall color, like a rusted orange. And then that's the front. It shows a little collarbone on the front. This skirt, I don't know if I've shown this already, but this skirt is from Saks. It has a zipper all down the back. Gold zipper. Nice, very cute, sexy black skirt. And then I have another dress from Express here. I might wear this dress when I go to Texas. I'll do another video explaining that. But it's a very cute. It's a different cut. Very, very, very cute. Very slimming, very sexy. Not too short. Just a very, very, very cute dress that I love. So that's that. I'm going to move on. I really don't have that many things. This is a very mini haul. So I'm going to move on. I got 2 belts from H&M. I got this white studded belt. I love thin waist belts. This one is just a white studded belt with an all black outfit, and this pop of white will look so, I just smacked myself, will look so classic and chic. Or even if you're wearing like an all blue outfit or an all, like this white belt with the studs is like amazing. Like it's amazing. Got the same belt in gold and coral. There we go. Those were like $2.50 a piece, guys. Like, you can't beat that. And then I went to the Limited. I got this really cute sequins black skirt. Very, very, very cute. This is a size small because they run a little big in my opinion. So I did get a size smaller. But this is very cute. I can wear this to work with a really pretty top. And I love sequins and sparkle. And this could definitely be like toned down. You don't have to wear it like it's New Year's Eve. Like, you know, it can definitely be toned down. I got this skirt from the Limited as well. It's a very adorable mustard skirt. Just very, very, very cute. Just a short little mustard schoolgirl skirt. I love to wear this with tights. I also love to wear this with knee-high socks and like cute little loafers, like leopard. Oh, let me tell you guys. Perfect outfit. A cream blouse like the one I have on today. This skirt, knee-high black tights and leopard loafers, like a to die for outfit, seriously, with a burgundy lip. Seriously, a to die for outfit. From Victoria's Secret, I also did get a nail polish. I don't know where it is, but it's called Sex Pistol. I love the name, Sex Pistol. I think it's just so cute. It's like a gunmetal gray, very cute. I'm probably gonna wear it soon. Probably gonna wear that nail color in Texas. From the Limited, I also got a few accessories, just these cute little diamond flowered earrings, just very pretty little studs. I love studs. That's all I pretty much wear is studs. And then this gorgeous necklace. It has like tassels on it and these little black diamonds. Just a very, very gorgeous necklace. There we go. I think that's really, really cute. Just these are, I just love like classic pieces. Classic pieces is what I love. And then I went to JCPenney's. They were having a pretty good sale. I only got 2 things from JCPenney's. I got this denim shirt, and this is ombre. Cannot wait to wear this. So cute. Cute little denim shirt, and it's ombre. And you can also do this yourself, guys. It's very easy. You just dip dye it into some bleach, and literally it's very easy. And then this is one of my favorite purchases of the day because I got this for Texas. Most likely I'm going to wear this. We're going to like, if I do go, I'm going with my boyfriend and we're going to like an event pretty much. And there's like a red carpet involved. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself, but we'll see. But I might wear this dress because it's going to be still like 70s, so slightly chilly. It's a really pretty cream, almost 70s expired dress. Nice crochet detail. It has a cutout on the back, a crochet neckline, these gorgeous buttons. And this is by Mary-Kate Nashley's line. It has these really pretty bell sleeves. And this would just be amazing with a emerald green shoe. I'm thinking of maybe like a very like, not aesthetic, but like a Aztec-y, strappy green like wedge sandal. But it has to be like an emerald green. With this cream dress would be beautiful and just gorgeous, like golden accessories, golden and black accessories. I think that would be beyond amazing, and I'm so excited. And that's it for my quick little haul. I just wanted to film this so I can like clean up and get all my things put away. So yeah, guys, that's it. Leave your comments below. I will leave in the comment section the Drop 30 in 13 video, and also I will try to get my beauty haul up for you guys, because I have purchased a lot of makeup within the last couple of months that I'm really truly enjoying. So until next time, bye guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. And also, sorry, also my Instagram will be below, because I am fairly new to Instagram. So I don't know if you guys know that I'm on Instagram, but I am, and it's below. And I love Instagram. I'm addicted. I'm on there like every day. So if you really want to leave a comment or really want to ask me something, ask me on Instagram. All right, bye.